everyone, start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now roll the hair in on itself. Divide the hair into 2 parts and then add a rubber band in the middle of each of these 2 sections. Gather the hair together, add a rubber band to the middle section, pull it through the top as such. Now roll it and pin it up through the top. Next, take a section from the left side of the hair, make a braid out of it as such. Now, once you have made the braid out of it, tie a rubber band to it. After you are done with one section, take another section, tie it underneath it, and then repeat the same step for 3 of these sections. Now, taking all 3 of the braids, after you have pushed all of these 3 sections towards the right hand side, take one section of the hair from the right side and then join all 3 braids together, do it in different levels. Now, after this, gathering the rest of the hair together, make a braid out of it and then tie a rubber band to the bottom of it, roll this braid upwards and then make it into a bun. Fasten it in place using bobby pins. And then do this at the top. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now roll the hair in on itself as such. Divide the hair into 2 parts, and then taking the right side of it, make a braid out of it. Roll the hair upwards. Now fasten it in place, and then push it through the top section, that is the top right section. Now taking the left hand side section, add a rubber band in the middle, make a bun out of it, and fasten it in place. Next, we will start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back center. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 parts, taking the right side section, pull it through the top left section. Now, tie a ponytail out of the rest of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle of this left hand side section. Roll this up into a bun. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Afterwards, take a section from the left side, pull it through the top right side section. Now, take a section from either side at the back, and now once again, take a section from the left side, pull it through the top section. Repeat this step until you reach the base of the scalp, and then once you do this, make a normal braid out of the hair. Now, continue to do so, and then roll this upwards. Now, once you roll it upwards, fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Leave out a section of the hair on the left and the right side in the front, and then out of the rest of the hair. Join them together alternatively as such and make 2 ponytails out of it. Now add a rubber band in the right side middle section and roll it in on itself through the section. Gather all of the hair together on the rest of it, and now make a braid out of it. Begin to loosen the sides using your fingers. Fasten it in place in the right side as such. Take the left and the right side sections of the hair, tie it up at the back, and roll the hair in on itself. Now, do this at the bottom of it as well. Do this, repeat the step until you reach the middle or the base of the scalp, and then once you reach the bottom, you may begin to braid the hair normally. Now, once you're done with this, firstly start off by making 2 sections of the hair. Now begin to braid it. Starting with the left side, after you've made the left side of the braid, add a rubber band to it, and now move on to your right side and make the right side a braid as well. Add a rubber band to the bottom of each of these sections. Now, lift each of these up, roll it up, and pin it up in place. Thank you for watching.